There you go. Spend the energy. Let's go. What y'all waiting on? There you go, D. Spend that energy, Perro. There you go. There you go. Spend that energy. Make them work. Good hustle.
Hey, play aggressive defense. They ain't calling. Hey, let's move around. Come on, get back. Stay out. Stand up, stand up. You come out, boy. Sit right there. You go ahead, crash.
Let's go. Stay on them, Cash. Good foul. Keep doing the same thing. Make them dribble. Make them drive hard to the paint. Second and third time, you'll be tired. Oh, man, don't do it no more. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, team up. Oh, yeah. I'm going to hit a kid.